Hi, in last tutorial we have seen how we can sort the characters and number from the alphanumeric string. And in this particular video, we are going to see how we can repeat alphabet as many number of adjacent digit. I'm repeating again, what is the problem statement? Write a program to repeat alphabet as many number of the adjacent digit. So let me tell you what I'm trying to say. For example, I have an input like a 4, then B 5, then C 3. So what I want to do, for example, if A 4, then I want to print 4 times A. And if B 5, it means I want to print 5 times B. And if C 3, it means I want to print 3 times C. So this is my requirement. So this is most commonly asked question in the interview room. So I hope you get what is our requirement for this. So let's start. But before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so let's start. So try to understand the basic thing. Like we have a input string. Let me copy the same string and paste here. For example, we have one variable input, or if you don't want, then you can give any other name. For example, I'm giving string. You can give any name. That is not a problem. And for this string, I want to print output like this. So basically what I want to do, I want to print A, the number of time which is equals to that adjacent digit. It means if A 4, it means I want to print the A 4 times. So let's see how we can do. So basically this is a string and we want to iterate each and every characters of this string. 1 second. It should be in a single quote. Yeah. Now it is a string. Keep in mind, string always be inside the either single quote or double quote. So basically what I want to iterate from this entire string. Like I want to access each and every character. So for that we need loop. So I'm going to use for loop. So for each element in the string. I hope you know already how to use the for loop and why I'm saying this X for and why I'm taking this X because and I told you always read whatever variable you are taking here, always read like each element. So it will be a good proper statement like for each element in the string like that. So what I want, 1 second, colon. So for each element in the string, so first I'm going to check whether it is a alphabet or number. So if you remember in last video only, I have shown you there is one inbuilt function which is alpha. So with the help of the is alpha function, you can check whether the given string having alphabets or number with the help of that. So let me show you how you can use. So read the statement like for each element in the string, if that element is is alpha, then I want to store in one variable, which is for example output OP equals to OP plus I want to store that element. And here we are using the OP, so we have to declare that OP, and OP is nothing but the empty string variable. See, if I'm writing like this, empty single quote, it means it is a string. It is the variable which is going to hold the string. So what I am doing for each element, so for each element in the string, if that element is alpha, what to do? Store, 1 second, store in the OP. And one more thing here, I'm going to take one more variable like previous equals to X. So basically what I'm doing, whatever alphabet present in the string, if it is alpha, then I'm going to store in the OP. And at the same time, I'm storing in the previous. I have taken one variable previous, and there also I'm storing that in that variable, I'm storing that particular alphabet. So don't worry, you will get to know why I'm doing like this, why I'm storing here. So see, this is alpha, this is if part. So let me show you what we will do in the else part. So else, see, if it is not alpha, it means it is the number. So if it is not alphabet, it means it is a number. Then what we can do, so if it is not a alpha, then it will comes to the else part. So what it will do to the else part, simply copy this one and paste here. See, and let me copy this previous and paste here. I hope you're getting what I'm doing. See, if it is a alpha, then come here inside the if block and OP equals to OP plus X. It means we are storing whatever character or alpha we have, we are storing in the OP. And at the same time, we are storing in the previous also. Right now, this OP and this previous having the same value, which is X. And X is nothing but the characters or alphabet which is present inside the string. But if it is not a alphabet, it means it is a number. So it will come to the else block. And what we are doing, see, OP equals to OP. So initially A we have in the OP. So A plus, here also we have A only. Then what we want to multiply, because see, if we multiply A 4 times, then only we will get 4A. So because of that only, we know previous having the value which is A. So we have to multiply this. We have to multiply this previous by the number. So what number? So if you see the for loop, first time X is nothing but the A only. Then in second time X is nothing but the 4 only. So 4. Like that. But here is one problem. If you remember, I have told you there is a one condition if you want to use the multiplication or repetition operator. So let me tell you what is that condition. I have told you if you want to multiply any string, or what we can say, if you want to perform repetition or repeat any string, then one value should be string and another value should be integer, then only you can perform. So is X is the string data type. So string into string, it's a invalid. You cannot do like that. So one should be integer and one should be string. So we know what is the typecasting. So let me tell you how we can do. Simply int X. So what we have did, we have converted the value of X into the integer type, because we cannot multiply the string. And one more thing, let me first print and then I will show you there is one more change we need to do. 1 second. Let me print the OP. Let me run. See, 1 second. If you count the value of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is printing one extra. And same if you count for the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is also one extra. And if you check for the C, we have to print 3 times, but it is printing 4 times. So what we can do, and first of all, let's understand what this is happening. See, initially previous is A, and then next time X will be the 4. So 4 into A, it's nothing but the 4A. Plus we have OP. So OP also having one time A. So because of that only it is printing one extra. So what we have to do? -1. So there is also twist. See the syntax. Keep entire thing inside the bracket. Then here -1, then bracket. One second. Yeah. See, this entire things. First, I'm converting the x into the integer type. Then I'm doing minus. Then entire value I'm going to multiply with this string value. See, now it is printing correct requirement which is we want. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to explain in this particular video. So I'm repeating again. See, this is our string and we want to print this first alphabet exact same number of the adjacent digit what we have. So for example, we have A4. It means we want to print A 4 times. So what we are doing for each element in the string, if it is alpha, we are storing in the one variable OP as it is, and at the same time we are storing in the previous also. And why we are storing in the previous? Because the same previous variable we are using here also to perform the this repetition operation or multiplication operation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.